When designing a graphic design project for print, we cannot just create something nice and functional for our final customer. We also need to know some of the technical sides of our project. We need to be aware of the physical production so we can avoid common mistakes from the beginning, and we can take advantage of opportunities to enrich our projects. Designing a restaurant menu is a practical way of creating a complete and real product, but it's also useful for learning how to handle a printing project with real content. Through this exercise, we can face the creative aspect, but also the technical one. They're actually entirely related to each other. I also included a bonus to create unique graphics. We will use brushes with our hands. We will see how to digitize handmade paint without losing the hand feeling. But don't worry, you don't need to be an illustrator or a professional painter. Ciao, my name is Sara Passamonti. I'm an Italian multidisciplinary designer. I have worked in advertising agencies and design studios. Eventually, I decided to be a designer and illustrator freelance. Today, I'm here on Skillshare to share with you my experience in graphic design for print. Some of the things that I'll tell you, I learned them through experiences, and some were things that I learned through my mistakes. That's why I think it can be useful sharing with you what my workflow is today. By the end of this class, you will be aware of how printing and production choices can boost your creativity, and you will know how to create a proper file for print. You will also know how to design a multiple-page project, and of course, you will have a new work for your portfolio. I'm very excited to begin, so let's get started.